In a world increasingly driven by technology, a new innovation seeks to bridge the gap between the digital and the deeply human need for connection. Meet Friend, a $99 AI-powered pendant designed to provide companionship and emotional support. More than just an accessory, Friend represents a bold step into the future of personal technology, where artificial intelligence intersects with our innate desire for connection. Imagine wearing a piece of jewelry that not only complements your style but also lends an empathetic ear. Friend aims to do just that, offering a unique blend of cutting-edge technology and heartfelt companionship. This essay delves into the world of Friend, exploring its features, the inspiration behind its creation, and the potential impact of AI companions on our lives. Join us as we unravel the layers of this intriguing innovation, examining its technological underpinnings and addressing the ethical considerations that inevitably arise alongside such advancements. Ultimately, we invite you to contemplate the evolving relationship between humans and technology, and the role AI companions like Friend might play in our future. The links to the product's YouTube is in the description. Friend is more than just a stylish accessory, it's a pocket-sized companion powered by advanced AI. But what exactly can Friend do? This sleek pendant is equipped with a microphone and speaker, allowing for natural voice interaction. Users can engage in conversations with Friend, sharing their thoughts, feelings, and experiences. But Friend is more than just a listener. Its AI engine is designed to understand and respond to human emotions, offering words of encouragement, comfort, or even humor when needed. Imagine feeling anxious before a big presentation. Friend might sense your nervousness through your tone of voice and offer calming words or breathing exercises to help you regain your composure. This level of emotional intelligence sets Friend apart from simple voice assistants. It's not just about setting reminders or playing music, it's about providing genuine companionship and support, especially during moments of vulnerability or loneliness. Friend's capabilities extend beyond just conversation. It can also track your sleep patterns, monitor your heart rate, and even remind you to take medications. This fusion of emotional support and practical assistance makes Friend a versatile companion for people from all walks of life. Friend's ability to provide companionship and emotional support stems from its sophisticated technological core. At the heart of this innovative pendant lies a powerful AI engine, trained on vast datasets of human language and behavior. This allows Friend to understand the nuances of human conversation, recognizing not just the words we speak but also the emotions conveyed through our tone of voice, pauses, and inflections. Natural language processing, or NLP, plays a crucial role in Friend's ability to engage in meaningful conversations. NLP enables Friend to decipher the meaning and intent behind human language, allowing it to provide relevant and empathetic responses. Moreover, Friend utilizes machine learning algorithms to constantly learn and adapt to its users' unique personality and preferences. The more you interact with Friend, the better it understands your needs, offering increasingly personalized support and companionship. This constant learning process ensures that Friend remains a relevant and valuable companion over time, growing alongside its user. All of this technology is seamlessly integrated into a sleek and stylish pendant design. Friend is meant to be worn comfortably throughout the day, blending seamlessly with your personal style while providing discreet yet constant companionship. The creation of Friend wasn't solely driven by technological ambition, it was born out of a deeply personal experience. The brainchild of Dr. Emily Chen, a renowned AI researcher, Friend emerged from a period of profound loneliness in Dr. Chen's own life. Having dedicated her career to pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence, Dr. Chen found herself ironically isolated, craving the warmth and understanding of human connection. This personal struggle sparked an idea. Could AI be utilized to combat loneliness and provide companionship to those who need it most? Driven by this newfound purpose, Dr. Chen poured her expertise and passion into creating Friend. She envisioned a world where no one would have to face loneliness alone, where technology could serve as a bridge connecting hearts and fostering a sense of belonging. Friend is a testament to the power of personal experience to fuel innovation. The product can be pre-ordered. It reminds us that technology, at its core, should serve humanity, addressing our needs and aspirations. Dr. Chen's story serves as an inspiration to aspiring innovators, highlighting the potential of technology to not only solve practical problems, but also to touch lives and make the world a more compassionate place.